Hello everyone! Today we're going to continue the third part of our chapter, the simple interest. So as mentioned previously in the sessions, the part 1 and the part 2, we explained the interest formula and the future amount formula. And as we already said that in order to calculate the interest formula, we have to have R and T in the same period. In this session, we're going to see when R and T are in different periods, how can we calculate IN. So if I have R and T in the same period, whether it's days, whether it's years, whether it's month, whatever the period is, as long as they are in the same period, we don't have any problem. But the problem occurs when R is in, for example, years and T is in another period, such as month and days. I cannot calculate IN without converting them to be in the same period, whether I convert R or whether I convert T. The objective at the end is to have them in the same period, whatever the period is. So this is a reminder of the formulas that we have learned, the interest and the future value. So in this example, we're going to see that R and T are in different periods. R is in years and T is in month. And in this case, I cannot calculate IN without converting. So in this example, we're going to see how to convert. So to not overthink of what to convert, should I convert R or should I convert T? Whatever you choose to convert, keep in mind that they have to be both in the same periods, whether you chose to convert R in month or whether you chose to convert T in years. Whatever you choose to convert, the objective is to be in the same period. In this example, we have R in years and we have T in month, so you can choose whether to convert R from years to month or to convert T from month to years. So how can we convert R and how can we convert T? This will be in the next part of the video. In this example, I chose to convert T from month to years, and if you want to know how did I convert from month to years, you can refer to the next part of the video. So I have many ways to convert. I can convert R and I can convert T. And in some cases, I can convert both. So at first, it may seem that this is complicated or this is hard, but really it is not. It is very easy. In order to convert R, that is always per year. It doesn't change. To convert from year to month, from year to days, from year to trimester, from year to semester, or from year to anything, you have to divide R. For example, if you have to convert from year to month, you have to know how many months do I have per year? 12, so I divide R by 12. In order to convert from year to days, how many days do I have per year? We have 360 days. This is a commercial year. In banks, we use, instead of using 365 or 366, so instead of that, they use 360. This is a commercial year. So in order to convert from years to days, I have to divide R by how many days do I have? I have 360, so I divide R by 360 and etc. When talking about how to convert T, we must think logically. So when we talked about the interest rate, the R, we didn't think, we always divide. But here, when converting the period of time, I have two ways. When converting from big period to small periods, we multiply. And when converting from small periods to big periods or to bigger periods, we divide. How? We're going to see in the next part of the video. So when I say big period, I mean years. The year is the biggest period that I have compared to the other periods. And when I say small periods, I mean month, I mean days, I mean trimesters, semester. These are the small periods compared to the year. So in this part, you're going to see clearly what do I mean by big and small periods. So when converting from big period, that is years, as you can see, to everything else, we multiply. And when converting from anything else to years, we divide. So here, when converting from years to month, I have to see how many months do I have per year. So I have 12, so I multiply T by 12, etc. So when I'm converting from, for example, days to years, I divide and I see how many days do I have per year. So I have 360. I divide T by 360. And now we're going to do some exercises. You're going to see how. And when you want to use The conversion between T and R, you can always use this page and the previous one. So you're gonna see three different examples, and you already have one in the first part of this video. So in example 2, we chose to convert T. In the example 3, we chose to convert R. And in example 4, we converted R and T at the same time. And you can always screenshot these parts of the video where we said how to convert T and how to convert R. And you can always ask if you have any question, anything. Don't hesitate. You can always find me. So do your exercises, repeat the examples, and you're gonna perfect how to calculate the interest. Thank you, everyone. See you on the next session. Stay safe and have a nice week.